everyone. Today I would like to share with all of you my favorite collection of books. So let's begin it. So the first one is Kafka on the Shore. This book is by Japanese author Haruki Murakami, and this book tells about two different worlds, that is consciousness and unconsciousness. And most of us lives in these two worlds only, one or the other, and all of us stays in the borderline of these two worlds. I just started reading this one and I'm already enjoying it. So my next book is You Can Win by Shiv Khera. So this book is a go-to book every time you feel any confusion in life. It takes you from ancient wisdom to contemporary thinking, and it helps you to clarify values and dispel confusions in daily life. So my next book is Myth Equals to Mithya, a book by Devdutt Pattanayak. It's a handbook of Hindu mythology, and it retells Hindu stories and decodes Hindu symbols and rituals. So you should go through this one at least once in your life. So my next book is Essential Rumi by Coleman Barks. So the ecstatic and spiritual poetry of Rumi is all-time favorite, and it's very popular. And this book helped me a lot. It taught me a lot of lessons which are gonna help me forever in my life. So please go through this one. So my next book is Conundrum. It's by Anuj Dhar and Chandrachud Ghosh. And this book, it's a very concise book which is regarding disappearance and alleged death of the greatest son of India, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So if you're really interested in that person's life, you should be interested in his life. You should know about his life. If you know about him, you want to know more about him, then also go through this one. You don't have any idea regarding this person, then you should go through this book. Next one is The Alchemist by famous Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. In the novel, alchemy, the central symbol of the book, entails coaxing metal to achieve its own personal legend to turn into gold. And it's a very great book and you should go through it. Next book is Chanakya and Daily Life by Ramakrishnan Pillai, and this book is a non-fiction book and it is inspired by teachings of great Guru Chanakya's book Arthashastra, and it explains how to deal with everyday life on a happy note, how to deal with different stages of life very happily. So it's also a very go-to book every time you deal with life. Next book is 11 Minutes by famous Brazilian author Paulo Coelho again, and this book is regarding a young girl named Maria who leaves her Brazilian home to go to Geneva, Switzerland in search of love and hope to get a lot of adventures over there. So it's a very interesting book and I really enjoyed reading it. So please go through this book. So next book is Ikigai. It's by Hector Garcia and Francis Miralles. It's a Japanese secret to long and happy life. So it's a very comforting and motivating kind of book which encourages you to unfold your Ikigai. It shows you how to nurture friendship, how to find the purpose of your life. It will tell you how to throw yourself towards your passion. It's a great book. I have to tell you. And it's a must read. So next book is The Immortals of Meluha, and it's by Amish Tripathi. It's the first part of the Shiva trilogy, and it's a fictional kind of a book, and it tells Lord Shiva as a true historical man who, because of his great karma, people consider him as God. So please, it's a very interesting and it is truly addictive kind of a book. Please read it. So my next book is Lajja by Taslima Nasreen. She is a Bangladeshi writer, and Lajja in Bengali means shame. It's a very interesting book. Please go through it. So next book is Aleph by Brazilian author Paulo Coelho, and it's an autobiographical account, and it tells about epiphany of the author while on pilgrimage through Asia in 2006 on the Trans-Siberian Railway. It's a very interesting, beautiful book. Please read it. Next book is Wings of Fire. It's an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India. It's written by Dr. Abdul Kalam and Arun Tiwari. This book tells about his childhood, his effort, his hardship, his chance of leading Indian space research, nuclear and missile program. Next book is The Life of Vivekananda, book by Roman Roland. This book tells you about the life of Vivekananda. Please go through this one. So the next is Collected Works of Khalil Gibran. This book contains some notable work of Khalil Gibran. His work includes Life and Death, Crime and Punishment, Human Concern, Love, and lots more. Please go through this book because it's my most favorite book and it's the best book ever I have read in my life. So I request all my viewers to please read this one. And that's all. These are my favorite collection of books. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.